Hi guys, so today we are going to explore Savandurga hills. We have just reached now at around 7:30 a.m. in the morning, so we'll keep you posted if you are able to climb to the top or not. That is the destination. So guys, the climb is really steep and we are not sure if we're going to make it, but yeah, we'll try our best. So right now just munching on some snacks to give me some fuel climbing up. Check out the view. And there's the peak, of course. So we are halfway through the hill, and the first goal is to reach that fort right over there. Time for a break. हाँ, यहाँ लोग लीटर बहुत करते हैं. So guys, check out this view. We are almost at the top and this is the view. Woo. और यहाँ तपस्वी हमारी तपस्या कर रही हैं. चलिए इनका फोटो ले लेते हैं. Well guys, if you are coming on this trek, you have to bring adequate liquid with you, whether it is water or juice or energy drink, whatever you prefer. And please make sure you do not litter the place. As you can see, I'm carrying all my trash. Now with this amazing view, let us enjoy our juice. उसको देखो. Hey, 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 hey. Oh, क्या व्यू है देखो. Guys, we were really lucky that the weather is so nice today. It's a hell of a climb. So guys, This is as far as the top goes for Savandurga hills, and as you can see I'm pretty much high, so just look at the drop. So there is still some height that you can climb, but there are no arrows marked after this point. So if you want to go off trail and explore the hill on your own, you can still do that. But for the day, I'll call it. My friends are waiting downhill, so I'll probably go and meet them. So yeah, we'll fly some drones and we'll see you guys. So we are climbing down now, and yeah, I'll show you what the views are. चलो यहाँ देखना वापस पाकिस्तान। So there are multiple layers of descent as well. We were right there, if you can see. We have already climbed down 2 mountains and there are 2 more to go. Our car is parked right there.